you create a listing, and it's this mix between art and science. I mean, this is your wheelhouse, right? You need a title and a listing description that is attractive, that's well written, that just flows well. You need pictures that, really pop and, attract people to the listing. And then you have the science behind it. There's keywords, there's SEO, there's things that go into Airbnb, home away search algorithms that you have to pay attention to too. So that's kind of the data driven part. And then you've got the art and the creative aspect of it as well. So you really need to mesh those two to create a successful listing. So our focus is during the listing creation process, of course, getting amazing photos. We have a copywriter who's going in and they're, writing what we think is a great title and, the listing description. And then we talk to companies like yours, Kelvin's, Rank Breeze, to figure out, okay, this is good, but what kind of words is it really important to say in this neighborhood in DC, or for these units in El Segundo, what's going to get us to the top of the search results? Mm-hmm. That's the first, that's the foundation of it right there.